Hello everyone.
Hello again.
Today you are not going to see us, but you can see our presentation for today.
Yeah, we are in the class and our topic is
Cowork,
exactly
just Cowork.
just Cowork.
Why we have selected just Cowork? Because it's in now general availability and ready to use.
It's not Frontier anymore.
Yeah, exactly. Which I really like it to be a frontier, but anyway, now we can everyone can use it now.
Let's dive in.
Let's dive in. I think everybody really liked Cowork as far as I see around. So let's start with what is Cowork?
Okay. We can say the Cowork for your assistant, for create some documents, coordinate meetings, and then do the work for you, like your colleague.
Exactly. So this is why I think Microsoft told us that it's a new way of getting work done.
Yeah.
I even arranged my Dynamics Minds meetings with Cowork.
And
It's
it
that
really helped you, by the way.
exactly. So
And also, I like this thing that you prepare by the colors.
yeah, exactly. It's actually this is not something official, but I like to say Copilot plus Work IQ is
It's catchy.
Cowork. It's catchy. But what Cowork does is that with Microsoft 365, it helps us with common workflows like creating documents, coordinating meetings, and conducting research. And of course, connecting work across our tools with Cowork plugins. So I think that makes it more interesting. Yes, it's an assistant. As you can say, it just checks our emails, our Teams messages, and all over. And plus, my favorite topic, still Dynamics 365 finance and operations. This is, I think, why we would like to dive into Cowork as well. So, but before we go for D365 FNO, we told you about the Work IQ. So Microsoft has a Microsoft IQ family now. Before it was just Work IQ, but now we have a family called Microsoft IQ. Includes Work IQ. Work IQ understands you, your job, and your company. So it's very important because when we say AI can go everywhere, but if we are using it for our businesses, then we would like it to be more about our businesses. So to understand our business profiles, what we do daily, right?
Yeah, so it's not a general tool for everything. It just built tailored for your company and then for your work.
Yeah, AI built for work.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
and also under Microsoft IQ, we have Fabric IQ for the data and Founder IQ for security and Web IQ. I have not so much detail for it, but I will learn maybe in the next video. But as we said, we are more interested in Dynamics 365 ERP app. So we have a plugin there. So Cowork pulls data from there as well. And of course, do so much more. And it also has other plugins, of course, like Fabric IQ, like Miro, and the others,
Lots
of
of tools.
course.
Yeah, lots
But
of tools.
we will focus on Dynamics
Exactly.
365 ERP apps and also skills.
Yeah, I think that's one of the key points. So it measures the capability of the tool with the skills, and as you can see with the skill list, we may present you some of them in our demo in a couple minutes later. You can
Don't tell them.
no, I can help you. I can help
It's a
myself.
surprise.
Yeah, you will see that anyway. These are the skills. You can do all these kind of skills on the Cowork.
Yes, we will try to show you as much as skill that
Yes.
we can from this list. So this is our scenario, right, that we would like to conduct. What we are going to do is that we will try to set a meeting with our customer, and then we would like Cowork to prepare us for a meeting and send this as an email to our own Outlook. And then for us to be prepared for the meeting, we would like Cowork to go to D365 and check the data and pull out the data for us for the unpaid invoices for the customer. Then also would like to have the list of invoices in Excel, unpaid invoices that we will use a PDF skill for the preparation of the meeting Word skill. Also, we would like Cowork to create us a meeting presentation.
Yes.
We would like Cowork to create us some adaptive card visuals and send them to our teams. And we would like Cowork to create us some 3D visuals in an interactive HTML dashboard to check if everything is all right, every data that we collect are okay, and we are ready for our meeting. And maybe we may think to not to work with that customer anymore, right? But we have to have a deep research for the market. So we will use a deep research skill just in case if we decide to drop the customer, be sure that market is all right. And then what we will do is that if we still want to continue with the customer after we had this meeting, then our company has a certain shape of customer agreements type. So we would be using that Word document with the placeholders, of course, and we would like Cowork to create it for us, going to Dynamics 365 FNO and collect customer data and fulfill in.
This is a scenario that we came up with. We just want to have as much as skill to include to this scenario. It can be different on your work, or you can add or remove some of the parts. But I think that's the very good shape to present you the skills for the Cowork.
Most of the skills that we can use.
Yes.
And if what you can do also that you can create your own skills. I think this is why it's so powerful as well. So after we really like this scenario, and if it works like as we would like to see, then we would like a system to create a skill for this process, and we will show you how we can use our skills. But here, as Alper said, you do not need to use all of them. You can use the ones that you really require to use in your businesses. Well, in the video you will see that it will not take too much, because what we do is that we just shrink it.
Yes, correct.
Correct?
Yes, as a normal day work, it will take some time to prepare the Excel files, Word documents, like a real human, right? So it takes some time for Cowork too, but Cowork does it a little faster than the human.
Yeah, exactly.
But again, we have limited time in here, so we just speed up the video to present you in a good way.
When we run this in test environment, it took 35 minutes approximately. Yeah. But in the video, I think it's 5 minutes.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. So let's continue with your video and see what we can do rather than we talk. Yeah, see what we can do. Here. Now we are attaching our customer agreement of our company with the placeholders and tell Cowork what we want. We apply the scenario that we have told you from the previous page, and it starts working. As you can see, there is a reference there, and it has plan, 14 step of plan, and already started generating the outputs. You can see the skills and plugins that are being used as well. Now it's sending the email to my email address. Of course, it's asking for permission. It's because that I ask for, and it is because if you don't tell it to auto send, it asks, as most of the AI. As you can see, I have received the email. Here is very important that Cowork, if is not sure, asks everything. You can also see the thought processes there, Alper, right?
Yeah, exactly. So you can dive into the thought process on every thought process and then understand how Cowork think about doing this task individually. So if you see something not in your direction, you can ask for a change.
And you can interfere in between,
Mhm.
and you do not need to write, but you can also talk.
Yes, correct. You can use the microphone button, and then you can talk with the Cowork.
Yeah. In the right part, you can see the outputs, references, skills, and plans, and it shows you what it has done. As you can see now, it's sending the visuals into my Teams and ask for it for approval. This is the adaptive cards.
What I also like about the Cowork is the plan section. As you can see on the right side, it understands our prompt and it divides to 14 steps. And then it does it one by one with the prioritization that he does by himself. So the output is almost ready. We have so many files that we're going to see.
And now creating customer preparation skill for us, because
Yes.
that we ask for it. We say that its name should be customer preparation.
So the next time it will be the skill is ready for us to be used as the that we prepared and showed in here.
You can share your skills. I think there are 50 skills that you can add if it's not changed. Every day there is a new adventure with
Yeah.
Microsoft, because releasing very good functionalities each time.
Yeah.
Once finished, it tells us what it has done one by one. It summarizes. And here, as you can see, this is 3D HTML dashboard that we require for to see our customers' data.
It's chic.
Exactly. As you can see, there are buttons. It's not just a report, it's really interactive. And this is the PowerPoint that has been created for us. If you would like to change it, download it and use Copilot in PowerPoint. This is the PDF skill that creates us the invoices. This is Excel that we require. As you can see, it also puts a summary there and shows us what are not paid. This is the data that comes from the research. It's in the MD file. And here, this is my company template. As you can see, there are placeholders, and it filled it. Now you are able to see how the placeholders are being filled.
Yeah. So it uses our template. So you can have always the same output with the templates.
And the meeting is scheduled in my Teams, as you can see. And here it sent the adaptive cards into my Teams to be ready. Now in my email, it has sent and prepared me into the meeting. It's not just giving the customer information here. It also recommends talking points and also gives the market context. Now, let's use our skill. I put here the goal is one of the newest skills that it has, which finishes when it finishes. So it's try till it reaches the goal.
Yeah.
Here we have the customer preparation, our skill. As you can see, I didn't copy paste or insert any prompts or directions.
And then Cowork asks for us the customer and the meeting time, because it can be changed on every request.
Yes. But the plan is the same. The scenario is the same, just
Yeah.
the customer changed, and also what has been changed was the meeting time.
We are expecting the same structured output with different data every time, but the quality of the result will be the same.
Exactly. And as you can see, it made plan. We can see our skill and plugin, our customer preparation. So now it will run as long as it gets. Do you like it, Alper?
I like it, and also I'm thinking about maybe we can share the skill to our other colleagues so they can have the same approach by preparing this kind of presentation.
Exactly.
Or the customer meeting agenda.
Exactly. So, most common questions that I see being
that comes
asked.
a lot actually. Yeah, we just want to go over that part also to compare the, For example, in this first example, Copilot, Cowork, and the first-party agents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First party agents that are really embedded, like for example supplier communication agent and so much more that we have directly in Dynamics that we can use. But what's the difference, Alpar? Why do not we use this or the first party, not Cowork or
Yeah.
the other?
As we said in the beginning, Cowork is just works like your colleague, just working next to you, does multiple things together. But on the first party agents is for the whole team, for only for just team we can save and do for the repeatable tasks.
Yeah, for more of the process focused, that specific process focused,
yeah.
we can say, but Cowork is more for personal requirements.
Exactly.
All right. And another question, then why do we use Copilot Cowork versus Copilot Studio agents?
Yes. So the previous one, we have the dedicated one. In the Copilot Studio agents, the difference is you can build your own agents. You don't need to use the agents out of box. You can build your own agents, again, with the team use purpose. Yeah. And again, in the Cowork, you can use the one person because it's communicating with one person, and the agents, it's communicating with the whole team.
In Cowork, you cannot change the skills, but you use all the skills that has been given. So it's very powerful for a person that we have to. But for example, in Copilot Studio agents, you can have workflows. You can write workflow is wonderful. We
would like to make a video for
that one as well. We are preparing for it. So probably our next video is about the Copilot Studio agents, which is also very powerful. But it's more about like you first. They are custom agents, like first party agents, but are customized for our needs.
Exactly.
And there is also a new agent like Cowork, but it's for finance agent. And the difference between the Copilot Cowork with the finance agent is that Cowork is a little bit more powerful because it has cross application AI inside M365 Copilot and also D365 with the integration and works everywhere. But finance agent is a little bit more specialized. There is a purpose built for finance related operations. So I think it will become. I didn't heard it from anywhere, but this is something that I guess is that finance and maybe Cowork licensing will be a little bit different.
For the pricing perspective,
I think so.
Can be.
This is my own feeling.
Yeah.
It's not something that I
you haven't heard it anywhere yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. And yes. In the end, this is what our lovely Cowork is.
Yeah. Hope you like it, enjoy it, and please share your thoughts. If you want to have this kind of sessions in the future, we'll do our best for the next topics.
Yeah. You can write down what you would like to see, and we will try our best to share it with you.
Exactly.
All right. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video. Hopefully,
the workflows.
Copilot Studio agents. We will not just create we will create the agents as well.
We have lots of things to do.
Yes. Let's go and prepare.
Exactly.
Okay. See you soon, guys.
Bye.
And ladies. See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.